evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual Europa Property SEE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. Going to come up here in just a second, which is retail developer. And Katja, if you read off the short list.
Here are the nominees: AFI Europe, Big CEE Serbia, Ceetrus, Wholesale Mall, Immofinanz, GTC, Julius Group, Mapura Castle, Prime Capital, and Square 7 Properties Mitiska Ray.
And Retail Developer of the Year is sponsored by Tiriac Immobile, and from Tiriac we have Razvan Anash.
Razvan, welcome, and it looks like you're at work still.
Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you, or rather for you to see me. I'm Razvan Anash, Managing Director of Tiriac Real Estate, and I'm broadcasting from Tiriac Tower, our latest office project. Completion of the structure gives us the comfort to keep our promise to the customer and steering their business into the right direction. Now, I'm glad to present you the most powerful category, retail developer, and the nominees are...
I've been read, and hey,
already,
it's great.
I did
Thank
it.
you for sponsoring this category, and it's really, exciting to see some of the new retail projects that are coming online and reopening soon as well. So, the
winner is Ceetrus.
Okay, and from Ceetrus, would you please welcome Valuka Brunabaumatka.
Welcome and congratulations.
Good afternoon, can you hear me?
I can hear you fine.
Great. So actually, yes, it's when they say it's a surprise, they really mean it. The excitement that I get now, seeing our name and receiving the awards, it's big. Thank you very much for organizing the event. Thank you for the work that you do. And on behalf of my colleagues, I would like to say that we're grateful for receiving the award. It's actually our mission at Ceetrus to build the cities of tomorrow, and retail is just a part of it. We're a mixed real estate developer, but retail is important, and we're proud to be making places that people love. And thank you very much. I think this goes to my colleagues that are managing Coresi in Brașov, Travelor, and other great projects. Thank you so much, and have a good evening, everyone.
Well, you have a good evening too, and congratulations. And of course, as we know, managing shopping centers and retail locations has got to be a tough job at the moment. So, but several of our jury mentioned actually Ceetrus is one of the best companies they ever worked with. And when you hear that in the hard times, you know it's important. Yeah. So,
thank you so much. Solidarity is everything.
Yeah, so congratulations, and
Congratulations.
enjoy the rest of the evening and the rest of the show.